Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet phone cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet phone cover design refers to a handmade crocheted case or pouch designed to protect a mobile phone while adding a decorative touch. These covers can be made in various styles, patterns, and colors, incorporating different stitches and embellishments. Creating a crochet phone cover is a fun and practical project. Here are some tips to help you make a beautiful and travel crochet phone case. First, choose the right yarn and hook. Use cotton yarn for a sturdy and travel case. Acrylic can work too, but cotton provides better grip. A smaller hook will create a tighter web, preventing the phone from slipping out. Measure your phone. Before starting, measure your phone's width, height and depth. Add a little extra room for easy but ensure a snug fit so the phone does not slide out. Select a strong stitch, single crochet or half double crochet. Mix a dense fabric for better protection. Tight stitches prevent stressing and keep the phone secure. Chain ribbed bubble and basket web stitches for extra grip and texture. Work in the round for a seamless finish. Instead of sewing pieces together, try crocheting in the round to avoid seams. Start with the foundation chain, the width of your phone, and crochet around both sides. Add a secure closer. Use a button or loop, drawstring, or flap to lock the phone in place. A snap or magnetic closer can also work for easy access. Personalize it. Use color blocking, stripes, or ombre effects for a stylish look. Add beads, embroidery, applique, or tassels for decoration. Attach the strap to make it a mini crossbody bag. Reinforce the case for extra protection. Line the inside with felt or fabric for extra cushioning. Consider adding a sturdy bottom using a tighter stitch or extra layers. Here are some additional crochet phone cover tips to make your project more unique, durable, and functional. Use a slip stitch border for a neat finish. After completing the main body, go around the edge with a slip stitch or single crochet to give it a polished and sturdy border. Experiment with different stitch combinations. Try combining front post and back post double crochet for ribbed look. Use a herringbone stitch, moss stitch, or oval stitch for texture and style. Consider wrist strap or crossbody option. Create a long strap so it can be on crossbody or over the wrist. Chain stitches and slip stitches to make a sturdy coat. You can also add a J-ring and a removable strap for versatility. Waterproof or stain-proof the case. Spray your finished case with a fabric protector to resist dirt and stains. Use a washable yarn so you can clean it when needed. Make a hard shell version for extra protection. Crochet a cover that fits over a clear or silicone phone case for added protection. This way, your phone stays secure while still having a handmade look. Use elastic or ribbing for a snug fit. If your phone case stretches over time, add a jaw of ribbing at the top. You can also sew a thin elastic band inside the top edge to keep it secure. Try a comfortable design. Make a fold-over flap that doubles as a stand for hands-free use. Create a multi-purpose case that works as a phone slip, wallet, or mini bag. Add fun details. Use animal ears, flowers, or granny scar designs for a playful touch. Try crochet letters in details or name embroidery to personalize it. Attach a keychain loop or bead charms for extra flair. Use a magic ring for a seamless start. If crocheting in the round, start with a magic ring instead of a chain to avoid a hole at the bottom. This gives a cleaner, sturdier foundation for the case. Double start crocheting for extra durability. Hold two strands of yarn together while crocheting to create a thicker and more protected cover. This method is great for phones that need more cushioning. Customize the fit with a tracy top instead of making an exact fit. Finish the top with a ribbed band, front post, back post crochet for flexibility. This allows easy access but keeps the phone secure. Make an eco-friendly case with recycled yarns. Use recycled cotton or bamboo yarn for an eco-conscious, soft and durable case. It is washable and biodegradable. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!